Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to apply stones on your nails. So you'll need some rhinestones, tweezers, glue, and a container in which you put the beads. You can easily pick the beads with the help of tweezers. Now apply the small amount of glue where you want to stick the bead. After applying the bead, press it with any flat object to secure it.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.